So in this Photopea tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bold text here in Photopea. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Photopea and add some text to your design. So to add some text, go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the bottom, go to the type tool, press on the T right here, double tap and add some text. I'm just going to go ahead and say bold text. Now this might not be a great example because I'll just go ahead here and show you guys the text right here, because this text is potentially bolded as it is. Also too, this is just bothering me. I'm just going to make this all capital. So first thing I'm going to do is actually just lower the font a little bit to 250. I'm going to change the font up here in the top left to just like a regular font. So if I just wanted to do perhaps what's a regular font, I'll go Copper Hewitt right here. There you go. I'll press on that. Now, if you wanted to bold this text, it's pretty straightforward. I want you to double tap on the text. What you can either do is go to the top here and do it this way, or what you can do, you can press on book, and then you can scroll down to where it says bold right here. You can press on bold, it makes it bold. Or what you can do is go to the right hand side of your screen, press on the two T's right here where it says bold, go bold, and you can change it to whatever you want. So I'll just go bold italic for demonstration, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. Press OK, and there you go. So that's how you guys can bold text here in Photopea. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.